21. Amazing world of birds. So let's read the chapter and know about them. Okay? All of you open the book. Amazing world of birds. Through the ages, man has lifted his eyes to the open skies with amazement to look at the flying creatures. So through the ages, man has lifted his eyes to the open skies with amazement to look at the flying creatures. The birds are probably the most easily recognized of all animals. So birds are the probably most easily recognized of all animals. Let's read ahead. Can you identify the following birds? So now let's identify the following birds. Okay, first number. It is a large water bird with a pouch below its beak to store food. So it is a large water bird with a pouch below its beak to store food. Which bird is this? The answer is pelican. Second number, it is a large wading bird that hunts for fish in shallow lakes and rivers. While hunting, it stands in the water mostly on one leg and pretends to be sleeping. So it is a large wading bird that hunts for fish in shallow lakes and rivers. While hunting, it stands in the water mostly on one leg and it pretends to be sleeping. Okay, which bird is this? The answer is heron. Third number, it is the biggest of all sea birds, having a wingspan of any bird 3.7 meter across. It is the biggest of all sea birds, having a wingspan of any bird 3.7 meter across. Which bird is this? The answer is albatross. Number 4, it is a migratory bird that keeps its mouth open while flying to catch insects. It takes short naps during its flight. So it is a migratory bird that keeps its mouth open while flying to catch insects. It takes short naps during its flight. Which bird is this? The answer is frigate bird. Number 5. This bird flies over the sea and hardly lands on water. So this bird flies over the sea and hardly lands on water. It catches other birds and forces them to drop their food. So it catches other birds. It chases other birds and forces them to drop their food. It doesn't come down, but it chases other birds so that they will drop the food. Okay, which bird is this? Swift. The answer is swift. Next, number 6. This bird builds a wall across the opening of its nest and then seals itself in it and brings up its chicks there. Which bird is this? The answer is red-billed hornbill. Number 7. It is one of the tiniest birds in existence. So it is one of the tiniest bird in existence. It weighs less than 35 grams. Which bird is this? The answer is island rail. Next, number 8. It is a large brown bird with a long tail. This bird is killed for spot and foot. So it is a large brown bird with a long tail, and this bird is killed for spot and foot. Which bird is this? The answer is pheasant. Pheasant is a bird which can be killed for spot and foot. Okay, so we have completed reading chapter 21 and learned about this amazing world of birds, isn't it? So read it again and know more about them. Alright, see you in next class. Thank you.